Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Zeiss Ikon camera that I have. It's a Pronto 250 LK with a Zeiss Ikon color planar lens. It's a 45 f2.8. So yeah, this is the condition of the front. I'm going to take out the case. Unfortunately this case is broken here. Okay, so this is the front. One side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. This is the back. This is the viewfinder. There's something inside. Oh, the glass inside fell out. Okay. You can see like the glass piece. Okay. Anyways, show the inside. It goes from 250 to bulk mode, and that's the aperture. So we're gonna start with bulk mode itself. To fire it, press up here. Okay, bulk mode works. Let's do 30 shutter speed. Okay, 30 works. 60 works. Let's do 125. 125 works. Let's do 250. 250 also works. So all shutter speed works. Now I'm gonna test the bulk mode with show you the aperture itself. So now it's 2.8, then stop down to f22. So yeah, it works. So both shutter speed and aperture works, but the focusing screen, there is some issues there. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, so that's it for the camera itself. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. And see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye. God bless.